Good evening, me again. Yeah, I've been going back and forth between chocolate bars and Samyang noodles. I'm going with noodles this time around. Trying, it's already been cooked, it's already been opened. Noodles have already been cooling off. Trying Samyang hot chicken flavor ramen. I'm gonna butcher this word, so take it. Forgive me. Jiang, I'll let you see it for yourself. It's just so I don't butcher it anymore. Yeah, there you are. Yeah, it's in Korean black bean sauce. Now, like I said, let it cool down for a bit. That is a very rich black bean. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how hot this is gonna be. I know there's 9 different varieties. This one, from this company. This one, can't remember if this is the 3rd or 4th one I've tried. I may just revisit my YouTube channel just to see. But there are 9 different varieties. I'm just taking my sweet time going through each one. Yeah, black bean is very thick, very rich, and yeah, as you can see, it smells spicy, but it's not like overpowering, but that's deceiving, as I've quickly learned. Now, just making sure I stir this really good, just to make sure I cover every one of them. All right, these noodles. Now, yeah, wish I had chopsticks for this, but I don't, so it is what it is. I just make do, like everyone else. Yeah, I smell the heat. I'm not exactly sure what the Scoville unit is in this, but after surviving that gummy bear, the toe of Satan, too hot, the hottest gummy bear in the world, hottest lollipop in the world, each of them at 9 million Scoville units. Theory, this should be a walk in the park. In practice, let's just say it's not even known until you actually try. So, gonna take the first couple bites. Taste the bean, taste, there's instant heat. If I get hiccups, I apologize. It's just basically from the heat. It's kind of like a dry heat burn. Kind of lingers. It's pleasant, good taste. Now, if I had some actual chicken to go with this, yeah, why not? But I don't, so I'm just having it as is. It's very chewy. I should have cooked it a little bit longer. I'm not sure if it would have made it a little less chewy, but it is what it is. Could have used some more vegetables. Could use some vegetables. Snow peas would be nice. Maybe some diced carrots to go with it just for color. Now, out of the ones I've tried, to be honest with you, I'm partial to the cheese one and the carbonara one. The carbonara one, because I'm Italian, and it's a very popular Italian dish. The cheese one, as far as I go, the cheesier the better. This, yeah, you can either do vegetarian because it is a black bean sauce, or if you feel like adding a bit of meat because it's chicken flavor, then, well, chicken's gonna be the way to go. Not bad. Kind of enjoyed it. Now, the only one I have left from these guys is the infamous Black Label, which starts to get hotter and painful. The Scoville units, if I remember, was 8,000 units. I should be able to handle it, but won't know until practice. I definitely buy these again in the future. I know they sell them in 5-packs. I would rather just buy them individually. There's a way to be able to do that. I don't even remember where I got these, but I'll post a link for it on Amazon.com, from Amazon.com. That way you could order it, try for yourself. I don't have any endorsement. I don't endorse this product, but it's not a personal endorsement I meant to say, but hey, I don't mind it. Would try it again. Would you try it? Yes, no, maybe. Leave a comment on the thread and click like, subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. Anyways, have a good evening, everyone.